welcome to the Looker Studio Formula series by Analytics Lab. This is the third video of the 21 video series. So let's quickly start. So today's topic is about how to extract text from string of a dimension. So to give this example, we have created a dummy data set. Here it is. So you can see there is username and states where there is first name and last name and there is a underscore between them. So how we can extract, let's see how we can extract the first name and the last name from these usernames. So I've already added this data source here. So let's quickly create a table. There is username and record count. So to extract the first name from the username, how we can do that? To do that, let's add a field first. Click on add a field, then create add calculated field. Let's name this as first name. Now to extract this, we need to write a formula. So the formula will be regex extract. So what regex extract does is, from a expression, it extracts text from a string. So what is our string name is? Our string name is username, and from username we want to extract the first name. So as I showed you earlier as well, if you see, there is an underscore between the first name and the last name. So let's, from this underscore, let's extract the username data or any data if you want. If you know this formula, if it is not under underscore, if it is a slash or anything else which divides the like string and you want to extract it from here, you can using this formula. The change will be it might not be underscore, it might be slash or any other expression in your case. So let's quickly jump onto the formula again. So regex extract, then username is your field. Now we'll put up the expression. First put the double inverted commas, and inside this first we'll use this caret. What caret will do? Caret will extract all the like text which is before the expression. So let's write our expression. So this will do is, this will match your expression of underscore, and what caret will do is, it will extract all that which is before the underscore. So before the underscore is your first name, right? So it will extract your first name which is before the underscore. Now let's save and check what happens. So here is our first name, and see, there is our first name extracted from the whole username. So now the question comes up, what we can do in the case of the last name. Of course this formula won't help for extracting the last name, so let's try how we can extract the last name. Now again click on add calculated field. Now this time let's name it as last name. Again we have to use the same regex extract and your field name. Now at this time we will first put up the underscore, and then we will put up this which will match the expression of underscore, and then we'll put up the sign of dollar. Now dollar, what dollar will do, it will do just the reversal of the caret. It will extract all the text which is after the underscore. What caret did, it did before, from the beginning, before the underscore expression, and dollar will do the exact reversal. It will give you the text which is after the underscore. Now let's quickly save this, click on finish. Now let's quickly check. Yeah, there you go, you have the last name as well. So you have the first name, you have the last name. Suppose you don't like the way the first name is or the last name is, because you see the first letter is capital and the other are in the lower cases. So if you want all of them in the uppercase or all of them in the lower case, then what we can do? So let's first try with the upper one. So suppose I want to uppercase my first name. So you know there is a formula called upper, and then we will do the first name. And there you go, the upper name is, the first name is now in a uppercase. Similarly, if you want a lowercase for your first name, lower first name. Now quickly save it and then finish. And there you go. The name, all the letters are in the lowercase. I hope this video helped. So please stay tuned. There are a lot of videos coming up. Thank you.